Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add a new page for your site in Mobirise. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click on pages and create a new page. Now you want to write, I don't know, contact. When you have it, you can also change the description and everything, the title, the URL. And now you can just easily add whatever you want here. So gallery, contact, and stuff like that. So also when you click here, you can drag the pages if you like them more. And yeah, this is how you can add a page. I don't know what else would I tell you, by the way. Like this is probably it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.